Number 323. What is the value of f of negative 1? Now remember, y is equal to f of x. The number inside of the function is x. The value that you get from the outside, or the output value, is y. So for this problem, the number inside the function is negative 1. So that means x is negative 1. We're trying to find the value of the function, which means we're looking for the value of y. This is the y-axis, this is the x-axis. So first, let's locate x equals negative 1, which is right here. And that corresponds to this point. Now we need to look at the y value of that point, and that's at 2. So when x is negative 1, y is 2. Thus, f of negative 1 is equal to 2. So that's how we can evaluate a function directly from a graph. By the way, notice that we didn't select 3 because that's an open circle. That wouldn't apply. For the sake of practice, what is the value of f of 0 and f of 2 and f of 3? So f of 0, this is when x is 0. If we locate the graph, it touches the y value at 3. So f of 0 is 3. Now for f of 2, this is when x is 2. The graph touches the x-axis at a y value of 0. For f of 3, x is 3 here, and the graph, it corresponds to a y value of 1. So f of 3 is 1. So those are some additional examples that explain how to evaluate a function from a graph.